Did you know that a spice smaller than your fingernail can fight infections, improve digestion, and even protect your liver? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what cloves can do, if you use them the right way. Welcome back to the Mind Hunters. Today, we're talking about cloves, one of the most powerful medicinal spices in the world. We'll break down what happens when you eat cloves every day, the top health benefits backed by science, the common mistakes people make, and finally, the right way to eat them for maximum results. So, stick with us for just 3 minutes. Cloves are rich in a compound called eugenol, which is an extremely powerful antioxidant. In fact, compared to many herbs and spices, cloves rank at the very top for antioxidant capacity. Think of cloves as tiny shields, protecting your body at the cellular level. Cloves improve digestion and gut health. If you often feel bloated, gassy, or heavy after meals, cloves can help. They stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and improve metabolism. Even chewing just one clove after a meal can reduce acidity and freshen your breath at the same time. Cloves are a natural pain and inflammation reliever. You've probably heard of clove oil for toothaches. That's because eugenol has a mild anesthetic effect. But it's not just for teeth. Cloves reduce inflammation throughout the body, which means less joint pain, lower risk of arthritis, and protection against inflammatory conditions. Cloves help regulate blood sugar levels. Several studies have shown that cloves can improve insulin function and help regulate blood sugar levels. For people with prediabetes or type 2 diabetes, this is a huge benefit. But remember, cloves are only a support, not a substitute for a healthy diet and lifestyle. Cloves also support liver and heart health. Your liver is your body's detox powerhouse, and cloves actually help protect it from damage. Eugenol reduces oxidative stress in the liver and improves its function. At the same time, cloves can help reduce bad cholesterol and improve circulation, lowering your risk of heart disease. But remember, the magic of cloves lies in moderation. 1 or 2 cloves a day are enough. Now, while cloves are amazing, here's where many people go wrong. Mistake 1. Eating too many. Cloves are powerful, and more is not always better. Eating too many can cause stomach irritation, nausea, or even thin your blood. Mistake 2. Using clove oil directly. Never consume clove essential oil straight from the bottle. It's way too concentrated and can damage your mouth lining or liver. Mistake 3. Ignoring medical conditions. If you're on blood thinners or planning surgery, you need to be cautious. Cloves can increase bleeding risk. Always check with your doctor if you're on long-term medications. Moderation and medical awareness keep cloves helpful, not harmful. So how should you actually eat cloves every day? Here are some practical ways. Chew 1 to 2 whole cloves after meals. This improves digestion and gives you antioxidants in the purest form. Make clove tea. Just boil 2-3 cloves in a cup of water, strain, and drink. This is especially soothing for coughs, colds, or sore throat. Add to cooking. Use cloves in rice, curries, and soups. Mix with honey. Crushed clove mixed with a teaspoon of honey can help with coughs and sore throat naturally. So, cloves are super healthy if you use them the right way. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves natural remedies, and don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Moderation is key. 1 or 2 cloves a day are enough. Thanks for watching.